Hey guys, Casey here at Guaranty RV in Junction City today. Sun shining, beautiful weather, time to get out camping. Today I want to show you this 2019 Jayco 154 Bunkhouse. This is a nice small package, but lots of stuff inside. You got a nice big propane tank up here. This is the Baja edition, so you get 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 on each corner, so when you get there camping and set it all up, you're going to be nice and solid, not a lot of rocking around. You do have a power awning on this unit with speakers. They've moved the speakers down here to the bottom, which I think is going to help out on the sound quality. Let's take a look inside. In such a small trailer, you still have quite a bit of storage. You've got storage up here above the dinette. Speaking of the dinette, this dinette does fold down and this becomes your main bed. Okay, you've got an air conditioner up here on the side. Nice thing about that is it doesn't add extra height to the unit. Plus, if there was ever a problem with that, you go down to your local hardware store and pick up a new one. More storage up here. Quite a bit of counter space for such a small trailer again. Microwave, 2-burner stove. You got some storage over here as you walk in. And back here again, this is the bunkhouse, so you got the 2 bunks for the kiddos. On the back is the bathroom. Nothing too fancy. It's got a toilet and a nice little tub to keep your kiddos clean. And back out into the galley, there's some more storage behind that door. Again, this is the 2019 Jayco 154 Bunkhouse. If you got any questions about this or anything else we have here at Guaranty, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.